Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a new viewer to my channel, please subscribe and watch the videos as it will help me to bring the more videos daily for you guys. Okay. So let's get into today's topic. Today I'm going to show about seven job openings that two mainly for the experienced candidate. If you are having experience on AWS, Azure, GCP, Cloud, okay. If you are having experience in these domains, or if you want to switch to this domain with experience, you can easily apply to this job opening, guys. And I'm telling you, all these job openings are 100% trusted and verified. Okay, so that's why I brought this job openings for you. And any person from this job openings will not ask any money from you. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get to this today's first job opening. As you can see here, the first today's job opening is for the role of DevOps engineer. Okay. First of all, I want to tell you one thing. This is a startup company. Okay, the startup company name is Shopse. As you can see here, this is a startup company. The startup company name is Shopse. Okay, they have recently ventured in a startup, and as you can see, they have been into the 30 startups to watch. Okay, this is one of the majorly growing startup in the India right now, guys. Okay, so they have mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer, and the role is full-time opportunity. Okay, as you can see, the location is Bangalore. They have clearly mentioned this. Okay, what they're expecting from you. Let look at this. The role name is junior DevOps engineer. Experience is 2+ years. At least you should have 2+ years of experience. It may be in the Linux system administration or in the networking or in any. Okay, not a problem. If you are having experience related to this particular domains, okay, you can easily apply. They have mentioned the education qualifications BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Bangalore location is Bangalore. Tech stacks they have mentioned as CI/CD, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Jenkins, AWS. See, if you know just 5 tools or technologies, that is CI/CD, okay, and Docker is very mandatory. Kubernetes is also very mandatory. You should know Ansible, Jenkins, and if you know just AWS Cloud, you can blindly apply to this job opening, guys. I'm telling you, you can blindly apply to this job openings. Okay, so they were given the technologies, everything, rules, responsibility, everything. Okay, and here they have given what you need to do when you're going to join when you join this company. They have given the job description, everything. Please read this. I'm not going to read this everything. Okay, here as you can see, key technical skills, as you can see, ability to visualize automation in CI/CD. That is, you should able to build. Okay, build, code, deploy, test, release. You should able to do complete. Okay, complete pipeline process. Cloud experience, you should have AWS cloud experience. Good programming skills with scripting language such as Java, Shell, Python. You should at least have one scripting language. It may be in any language. It may be Java, it may be Shell, it may be Python. Okay, experience in configuration tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible. See, you should have at least have experience on working hands-on experience or hands-on experience needed in Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible. Okay, source control, that is Git and SVN. If you know at least Git, that is fine. If you don't know Git, if you know only SVN, that is also fine. Okay, that is there is no mandatory that you should know both of this. Strong knowledge of continuous integration, build tools like Jenkins, Maven. Okay, and make, manage, build and release environment. See, you should have very good knowledge, very proficient knowledge in Jenkins, Maven. Okay, they have asked here. Ability to learn that quickly new technologies. See, you should be a daily new learner. Then only you can survive in IT industry. Experience in Linux administration system. See, as I already previously told, if you having 2 years of experience in at least in Linux administration, also you can apply. Knowledge of Apache, HTML, CSS. See, you should have web servers knowledge. They have clearly and mentioned. And these remainings are very common. Okay, as you can read this. Okay, so before applying to this, please modify your resume as according to these keywords. They have clearly mentioned these technology skills. Mention this in your resume and apply. Experience of knowledge in cloud technologies like OpenStack is plus. See, if you have OpenStack knowledge of cloud, then it is added advantage for you. Okay, guys. So how you can apply to this job opening is just click on this apply for this job section. Okay, will be redirected to this page. As you can see, upload resume first time, everything. You need to fill this all the form and submit it. Okay, so this was the first job opening from today's, guys. Okay, now let's get to the second one. The second one job opening is from the company Danaher. Okay, as you can see, the company name is, okay, here they are mainly hiring for the position of senior software engineer. The position is senior software engineer. That is mainly for the DevOps also. Okay. And here the job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay. Here the job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. As you can see this. Okay. Uh, and moreover, here they have given everything requirement section. Let's read this. Bachelor of Engineering or Masters in Software Engineering, Master in Computers Applications or equivalent. See, you should have at least a degree. That is very important. It may be in the engineering or it may be in MCA, BCA. That is fine. Okay, if you are from any other background, also not a problem. You can apply. But if you are, you should have at least experience related to the DevOps background. Okay, 3 to 6 years of proven experience in DevOps background. As I've already told you, if you are having 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years of experience also, you can apply to this job openings. Okay. Look at this, 3 to 6 years they have mentioned. Hands-on experience on AWS. Here they have asked for the AWS cloud. Okay. Don't worry. The next one is for the Azure. Okay. Service including VPC, EC2, IAM, API Gateway, Athena, Lambda, RDS, S3, CloudWatch, Cognito. You should know this AWS services that maybe that are they as I already read VPC, EC2, IAM, API, etc. etc. You should know this. Okay. If you don't know, please learn and you will be knowing. If you are having experience, you will be knowing. So please mention this in your resume, then apply. Okay. Hands-on experience in least one of the monitoring and logging tools such as CloudWatch, ELK, Stack. See, Prometheus, Grafana, Splunk. At least you should have hands-on experience on monitoring. These are very basics. Okay. So if you are knowing, please apply. Okay. If you don't know, you can easily learn in 1, 2, or 3 days. All these monitoring tools you can learn in just 2 to 3 days. Not to worry. Okay. Strong knowledge of CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, TeamCity, AWS code pipeline, ability to configure and optimize automated build and deployment pipelines. So you should know CI/CD pipeline tools such as it may be Jenkins, or if you know TeamCity, or if you know AWS code pipeline. If you know any one or two of this, it will be very added advantage for you guys. I'm telling you. Okay. Proficiency in scripting language. See, if you are having experience, if you are working, if you are going to work on the DevOps, means you should be ready to do the scripting. That is very important. As I've already told you, if you know Shell, that is fine. If you know Python scripting, also fine. Okay, but if you don't know, please learn. And they also mentioned maintaining infrastructure code as using tools like Terraform, AWS Cloud Formations. See, you should be able to create the infrastructure. Okay, by using it, maybe from the Terraform or by the AWS Cloud Formation, or in any similar technologies. Knowledge in Linux administration, like creating user services, patching, upgrades, installation, monitoring, applications, etc. See, you should have very good proficient knowledge on Linux administration. You will be updating the software and you will be doing the services, updating everything will be there for you. Be prepared for that. Knowledge of AWS network concepts like creating VPC, subnetting, routing, etc. Database in administrations, AWS including RDS, DynamoDB. See, here they are clearly mentioned you should have very good knowledge on AWS networking concepts. They will be asking the questions on how to create VPCs, how many VPCs you are going to use for the daily lives in the interview. So be prepared for that. Okay. Ability to deliver high performance, result oriented, and time bound environment. So you should be ready. You should be deliver the applications within time. That is very important. Okay. They are given about if you having this extra added advantage skills, it will be benefited for you. Good understanding of user management using AWS Cognito, authorization tokens, SSL, SSL certificates, etc. See, you should know if you know about AWS Cognito, how to use, how to utilize this, and if you know how to create the SSL certificates, SSL certificate, everything, and tokens, creating authorization, giving the authorization, that will be added advantage for you. Okay, good understanding of AWS serverless architecture. See, this is very important. This is going to be the next thing in the AWS. See, in after few years, every company is going to ask this for damn sure. I'm damn sure about this. So if you don't know, learn this. Okay, good understanding of AWS security best practices, identity. See, you should know about that is IAM management rules and regulations. Everything you should know. JavaScript mainly. And if you're having experience, if you're having the certificate, that too, if you're having the DevOps engineer certificate, that will be very advantage for you. And you should have work on experience in it, may be in the Azure or a Scrum environment. Okay. So this was the second job opportunity. How you need to apply? Just go to this apply section now. As you can see here in the right side corner, just click on apply section. Okay, you will be redirected to the apply section. Just you can, if you click, will be redirected to that page. Okay, see my here it's showing for everything, my information, experience, applications. You need to fill all these forms. Okay, Here you need to fill all your forms. Okay, as I already filled everything. Okay, you need to fill everything and then apply. So this was the second job opportunities for today's guys. Okay, before moving to the third one, I want to convey you one more important thing. See, if you are first time ever to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, and turn on the bell notification. It will be very helpful because I will be uploading daily videos based on AWS, DevOps, everything. Okay, not just one topic. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, here I have already created a playlist for the experienced candidate. This is for fresher. It's for AWS Domus fresher. This is mainly for the experienced candidate. As you can see, I've already uploaded 3 videos also. If you haven't watched this, okay, just watch this video and apply to the job openings. Okay. And if you want all the job openings links which I'm going to show you now, whatever the job links which I have shown you, just you send a invitation link to at this Instagram handle Vishwakarkalle. You need to send a request. Okay, I will be accepting you all the accepting your request, and I will send you all the job links completely free, guys. I'm telling you, I will be sending all the job links completely free. If you just message me like this, AWS and DevOps fresher. If you are fresher, mention AWS fresher. If you need AWS experience job openings, means mention AWS experience job opening links. That is for okay. I will be sending, as you can see, I have sent job opening links for emails. Okay, I will be sending you all the links completely free without taking single money. Okay, what you need to do is just send me request and you need to message here like this. It may be if you want AWS the experience jobs, AWS DevOps means DevOps. If you want Azure experience job means I'm going to send you. Okay, so before that, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and send me the request. Okay, I'm going to send you. So now let's get to the third job opening. The third job opening is from the company. As you can see, this NetApp. Okay, the company name is NetApp. Okay, they are mainly hiring for the position of software engineer. As you can see, the job location is mainly from the Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay, as you can see, this they are mainly hiring for software engineer position. Okay, let's get to the job summary, requirement section, everything. Here they have mentioned job requirements. Let's read this. Here, experience in cloud technologies, containers, orchestration frameworks like Kubernetes. See, you should have very good hands-on experience in cloud. It may be in AWS, Azure, GCP, and you should have containers. It will be Docker, Kubernetes. Okay. Here they mentioned Kubernetes. Ability to work independently on low-level designs, development tests. See, you should be able to even ready for the development as well as testing. That is clearly mentioned because the role itself is software engineer. Means you should be ready to develop the application as well as test the application also. Okay. Strong programming skills in Go, system language such as C++, Core, Java. If you see, at least you should have very good knowledge. It may be in the Go language, or it may be in the C++, or it may be in the Java. In any of 3 languages, if you know one programming language, you can easily apply. Experience in with working in any of the public, as I already told you, you should have at least one. It may be AWS, Azure, GCP. Okay. REST API design and implementation. You should know how the REST API, what is API, what is REST API, how it's going to design, how you need to design, how it's going to work, implementation, everything you should know. Agile software development practices. You should know how the Agile software development cycle is going to work in software industry. Experience in software design and development and strong understanding of complex concepts related to the computer architecture, data structures, and programming practices. Here they have mentioned you should know about the computer architecture, data structures they have mentioned, and programming also they have mentioned. And one more thing is you should know Linux or Linux operating system. Okay, you should know Linux operating system. Preferred qualifications they have mentioned is familiarity with scripting languages. You should be have at least familiarity with it. Maybe the shell, it may be the Python, anything. Okay, you should know at least some Python scripting languages. Strong oral written communications, it's very common. Okay, Kubernetes certified is desired. See, they have mentioned clearly asked you should have certificate in Kubernetes. It may be Kubernetes certified administrative, or if you're having developer also fine. Okay, if you should have at least one. And they have mentioned here education deeply requires minimum 48 years of related experience with bachelor, master degree in related fields. See, you should have at least 48 years of experience. Then only apply. As I've already told you in the beginning of this video, I have bought the job openings for 6, 7, 8 years of candidate also. Okay. So this was the third job opening which I wanted to show you guys. So how you need to apply is just as you can see in the left side of the corner, apply section is there. Just go to the section and apply. Okay. This was the third job opening for the today's case. Now let's get to the fourth one. As you can see, the fourth job opening is from the BetaNext company. Okay. They are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. And here the position is Bangalore. The job location is Bangalore. Okay. Bangalore location, and the opportunity is full-time opportunity. Okay. Here let's directly get into the required section. Experience: bachelor degree in computer science equivalent, at least 6 years of software industry experience. See, they have clearly mentioned you should have at least 6 years of experience. It may be in software field, but it may be in any domain. Not It's not just related to the AWS domain, DevOps domain. Okay. If you are having Java the experience, if you are having network experience, if you are having experience in system, it may be in any domain, not a problem. At least 2 years of experience in DevOps or site reliability engineering. See, out of 6, you should have 2 years of experience in DevOps or SRE. Okay. At least 3 years of experience in scripting. You should have worked at least 3 years of experience in PowerShell, Bash or Python scripting. Experience with modern application deployment practices with frameworks such as Angular, TypeScript, Node.js, .NET. Okay, they have mentioned here. You should also have hands-on experience on the frameworks such as Angular, TypeScript, Node.js, or .NET or Java. Okay, and you should also have ability to design, architect, implement complete CI/CD pipelines on AWS and on premises. You should be able to create pipeline on the cloud as well as on premises. Remember this point. Experience in building images, Docker, experience on modularity of image builds. So you should have hands-on experience on Docker also. Experience in containerization orchestration, that is Kubernetes they are asking. You should have hands-on on Kubernetes, AWS ECS, AWS Fargate also they have asked. Okay, remember this. Experience in dealing production level clusters and monitoring tools. You should have hands-on experience on dealing with production issues as well as monitoring tools. Okay. So like this, they have mentioned so many things. Please read all these things. Okay, I'm not going to read because this video will be too long. Okay, I'm just showing the openings for you. So if you want to apply this job, just go to the apply section. As you can see here, just go to the apply section and apply. Okay, so this was a fourth job opening for today's case. Okay, now let's get to the fifth one. As you can see, the fifth one is from the NTT Data company. Okay, this is the mainly hiring for the position of AWS Cloud. The job location is New Delhi, India. Okay, here they have asked mainly for as you can see here, very good experience in deploying, supporting AWS services. You should have very good hands-on experience in AWS only. Here they mainly asked for AWS and its AWS services. Okay, they have also asked for the troubleshooting. Okay, multi availability zone deployment, everything they have asked. So you should know about this and should have hands-on experience in installation, configuration, troubleshooting of application servers. Example, Apache. You should have hands-on experience on Apache Nginx. And they also asked for the DevOps tools and technologies, everything. And they have mentioned here good experience in applications, release management tools, GitHub, code commit, AWS code deploy, Ansible, Jenkins. Look at this. They have also mentioned that you should have very good hands-on experience in code commit, AWS code. Okay, that mainly for creating the pipeline. They have asked experience with deployment, monitoring, and maintenance of AWS container solution, EKS, ECS. You should have hands-on experience. It may be the EKS or ECS. Okay, and they have also mentioned application monitoring tool as a New Relic or ELK, and they have mentioned this shell scripting. You should know at least Python, Node.js, Bash, Java. If you know any one of these, that is fine. And you should have at least AWS Associate certified. Okay, if you don't know any of these skills, please learn and apply. Okay, if you are having, please try to modify your resume as according to these keywords and apply. You just need to go to this here apply now section. Okay, apply to this job opening. Okay, so these were the job openings for the today's guys. Okay, then now let's last one, that is sixth one. Okay, this is for the position of, as you can see, the company is Qual company. Okay, as you can see here, the position is senior DevOps engineer. Here they have posted this job opportunity 30 days back. So please try to apply this job openings before as early as possible. Firstly, they have asked for a degree. Okay, and second one is the requirement is they have mainly asked for DevOps engineer. At least you should have hands-on experience or related role. Related means it may be in any domain, not just related to the DevOps. Okay, strong understanding of DevOps. You should this will be having. Okay, experience with variety of tools and DevOps tools and technologies. They have mentioned you should know about Ansible, Terraform. Okay, and they also mentioned about Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, Jenkins, GitLab, Prometheus, Grafana, and scripting they have asked for is Bash as well as Python. Okay, so they have asked for everything here. They whatever the common tools and technologies only they haven't mentioned. They haven't mentioned anything higher. So you can easily apply to this job opening. And they also mentioned for experience with cloud computing platforms such as OCI or AWS. See, if you are having hands-on experience in AWS cloud, very added advantage. Experience with applying data encryption and data security standards. Okay. Experience with HashiCorp technologies such as console vault. You should know about what is console, what is vault, how you are going to work on this everything. And if you're having experience on service mesh, that will be added advantage for you guys. Okay, how you need to apply for this position is just go to apply position. Okay, click on this section. We are going to apply for this job. Okay, if you want a more job openings in the field of AWS domains, Azure, Cloud, DevOps, please mention me in the comment section. I'm going to bring you more job openings, that too mainly for the experience in the upcoming years. So please mention your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. Have a good day. Bye.